Welcome back, guys. Today our topic is like. The word like can be used as a noun, as a verb, as a preposition, and as a subordinate conjunction. Let's study them one by one. As a noun. As a noun, like means things you like, people you like, places you like, anything that you like. We use like as a noun. Its antonym is dislike, and its plural form is likes, and the plural form of dislike is dislikes. Example: we all have different likes and dislikes. Another example: I got 50 likes in 1 hour. Now here dislikes means this sign in Facebook. Like as a verb. As a verb, it means to find someone or something attractive or pleasant. Its antonym is dislike. Now remember the difference between dislike and like as a verb. After like, we can use noun, we can use pronoun, we can use gerund, and we can also use infinitive, whereas after dislike, we cannot use infinitive. We can use noun, we can use pronoun, we can also use gerund, but we cannot use infinitive. Let's have some examples. She likes to cook. She likes cooking. To cook is infinitive, cooking is gerund. And both of them are right after like. Now the same example with dislike. She dislikes to cook, she dislikes cooking. Now here, to cook is incorrect because it is infinitive, which cannot be used after dislike, whereas cooking is correct. As a preposition. As a preposition, it means similar to someone or something. Its antonym is unlike. Its synonym is as. We use like as a preposition when we show similarity or analogy between two things. Example: unlike you, I help Ali. I used unlike. It means that I and you are different. I'm not like you. Another example: don't cry like a child. You are not a child, but you cry like a child. The last one. Like as a subordinate conjunction. It means in a similar way as. Like as a preposition and like as a subordinate conjunction have the same meaning. Both of them show similarity. Its synonym is as if, as though. All of them have the same meaning. Example: she cries like a child. Here, like is a preposition because it is followed by a noun. Now the same example in a different way. She cries like she is a child. Now here we have a clause. Here, like functions as a subordinate conjunction. Another example: you didn't do like I wanted. I mean, there is no similarity between how you did it and how I wanted it to be done.